Okay, boys and girls, I wanted to show you what the next step is for making your 3D shape. So after you have colored your shape, then you're going to cut on the dotted line. So only on this outside dotted line, then you cut on the straightaway line. So you're just cutting the outside lines. Don't cut any of the inside lines. You need to keep these tabs on your paper. So once you have cut it out, then you fold every line with a crease. You fold it back this way. So you go all the way around, you fold every line back. 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 Like this, all the way around. Then so you'll see it starts to take shape after you have folded everything. You can kind of see that this is going to make a cube like this. So then what you're going to do to help it hold together is you're going to put glue. Just do one tab at a time. So put glue on the tab, and it doesn't take a bunch. Put glue on the tab and then fold it up and then just hold it there. You can see I'm pinching it on the inside. Just hold it there a few seconds until it's not going to come apart. You want to make sure it's as straight as you can get it. There we go, like that. Just hold it like that until it's stuck there. And then you do all of the other tabs same way. So you do one at a time. And I'm holding it from the inside and the outside, making sure it sticks in place. This part you kind of need to do two at a time because you're doing them on the last paper. All right, then this last one is the trickiest one. It's kind of hard to get it all to go because you can't get your fingers in there to hold it. So what I do is make sure you get it on the edge there. I'm like, where it's kind of where you folded it. Get it on the edge really good, and that's going to help it all hold together. Okay, and then when you fold it up, you just fold it up and over, and it will attach and hold together right there, just like that. And then when you're finished, you have your cube.